guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm finally doing the long due what's in my bag. Basically, this was pending since almost a year and I wanted to do this last year, but again, due to a lot of other things happening, I couldn't find the time to do it. Now, what's in my bag has been a cult favorite category when it comes to YouTube. I started, in fact, my YouTube journey, whether it was watching YouTube or making videos with what's in my school bag, and then of course the what's in my college bag edition and work bag edition. And a lot of you guys have loved those videos. I wanted to do an updated one as the older Himani, what she carries now. So finally I'm doing it. At this stage of my life, I do not have to go to work. It's work from home. So I don't have like a lot of extensive things that I would carry, but I still have quite a lot of different things which are essential, like the emergency kit and all. It has changed over the period. So few items might be extra, few items might be less comparatively, but yeah, everything is in here and I will be sharing exactly what's in my bag. So now let's get started. By the way, guys, I'll be linking all of these items in the description in case you want to check them out or are curious about it. First of all, this bag, it's a very nice tote bag, come carry on, sling on bag, because it's got the straps for the same that I got on my last birthday from SK. It retails for around like 6,000 to 8,000, but I got it for 4,000 rupees on sale. I love it. They have 2 to 3 options. They have like a blue one and a black one, but I wanted this white and black one, which I think looks so good. It's great to carry as it is like this, or you can have the big sling bag. It can fit in your laptop and everything, so I love it for the same. And yeah, I really like it. I've traveled with this as well for work purposes, so it's been very comfortable even at the airports as well. So it's a very good bag, easy to travel, and it has got the slide in for your trolley bag, so that's great. So this is the bag, which I'll leave the link below. Of course, I will have a water bottle. I have kept my bottle over here, which is the Solara one, and it's broken a bit, but I love this. It keeps your water cold or hot as it is you put. So that's the bottle that I've been using. Now let's get into everything that's there in my bag. The very first thing is, of course, laptop. So this is, I think, a 13.5 inch laptop. So of course it fits in very easily. I think it can fit in a 15 inch, which is the max laptop size as well. So yeah, of course I've got my laptop over here. I'm gonna keep it. And usually I keep my laptop in a bag, but right now I've kept it as it is. Like I told you that I work from home. So ideally, it's not something that I would carry unless I'm traveling. I love the fact that it's got so many compartments and zippers, so you can keep things accordingly, plus pockets. So it's super spacious inside. Also, another thing, if you notice on the side of the chain, I have basically attached this evil eye. I ordered a couple of these small key rings from Amazon. I'll leave the link below, and these are so cute and I'm just all about that, so I've kept it. So like I told you, it's got a couple of compartments, so I'm going to show you exactly how I segregate things. So first of all, of course, I've got my charger, the laptop charger. To go along with the laptop, I've got the mouse as well. So we've got the mouse, the laptop charger. So that's all which is there in the side or pocket compartment. Then there is a big zipper as well in the center where I would usually keep like some papers or diary or anything, which I don't have, by the way, right now. Then again, there are pockets on the side where you can keep pens and all. Again, not there right now, but eventually, of course, I'll have it. I've got my phone. This is a work phone. Then of course I've got a couple of random things in here. This is the wallet that I'm using currently. It's from Lino Peros. I really want to change my wallet. I'll probably buy a new one soon. If you have any recommendations, let me know. But this is the wallet that I've been using currently. I'll leave the link below. It's actually quite good, but I've used it a lot, so I want to change it now. Then we've got a comb, very important for people like me who've got long hair, and I've realized the value of this, so we've got a comb. Then there's just a snack. This is the Yoga Bar Protein Biscuit Choco Dip Cookie. It comes in this individual pack. So yeah, it's been there. It's actually quite difficult to find this. It's made of chickpea flour, sattu flour, and it's got a dark chocolate coating. So this is how it looks. But yeah, it's a pretty good, quick bite sort of a thing. I usually really like the Super U protein bar from Ranveer Singh, if I'm not wrong. I have ordered so many of it, especially the cheese flavor, but right now I just have this in my bag. Then of course I've got my AirPods. a tissue pack which is from Miniso. You guys know I love this so much. Then we've got my mini makeup kit, guys. This is so useful. If you guys have been following me for a really long time, you would know how much I love this. This very pretty holographic mini pouch is from Sugarpop. I'd got it as free. The pack, the entire name is going now, it's wearing off, but I love this entire bag so much. This holds in all of the mini makeup that I need on the go, and it's been with me for almost 2 years now, and I feel like this is a perfect thing for traveling, especially if you take a lot of flights, because in the flights they do not allow you to carry full-size makeup products in your hand luggage. So that's why this is the best one. I'll show you what all things are there inside. And by the way, all of these mini makeup items are available on Nykaa. I'll leave the links below, because a lot of you guys say that, oh, I can't find it, from where do you get it? So first of all, I have the Charlotte Tilbury's Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. This is like a blush cum highlighter duo, which was ideally famous, and that's the reason people started coming out with this. I love it. You can see clearly how much I've used it. And this, okay, so there's a mini travel pillow top kit of Charlotte Tilbury, in which you get these mini travel size products for like 5K. There are 3 to 4. So I bought it, and it's a very good blush cum highlighter duo, great for on the run touch-ups. So I've got this. Then I have the mini Charlotte Tilbury compact. You guys know I love my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Compact. It's like basically a compact powder, but it's so good. I have genuinely seen the difference of using this compact powder and your regular compact powder. Hence, I have the travel one, the extremely mini size one, and this is in the shade 2 medium. I am in the shade 1 fair, but the 2 medium one is also really good for my skin. So I've got this travel compact. And guys, if you feel like this will not last, guys, it lasts for a really long time. The first one that I had in my bag lasted for 1.5 years. So trust me, this mini one is also going to last a long way. Then I've got this mini mascara. This one is from Estee Lauder. It's the Scrumptious Extreme Volumizing Mascara. Not my favorite. Honestly, I'm just using it because it's near expiry and I want to get rid of it. But I already have the Charlotte Tilbury Mini Mascara and the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So they are already there in the back end. But yeah, this is the Estee Lauder one, mini one that I'd gotten free with my Estee Lauder purchase. But I'm not recommending this at the moment. Of course, I have my favorite Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk liner. This is in the Pillow Talk medium, and you can see how much I use it. Like, I have to sharpen this. So I've got this. Then I've got 2 of my favorite lipsticks, which are again from Charlotte Tilbury. Clearly, you guys know one of my favorite makeup brand is Charlotte Tilbury. It is extremely expensive, I know, but it is so good. Some people say that it's overhyped. Some people are like, it's very basic makeup, but I am all about basic makeup, but at a very good quality. Hence, I love Charlotte Tilbury. So these are the 2 lipsticks. These are my all-time favorite lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury, which I've used on all of my special occasions. So I've got the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, of course. This is the original Pillow Talk, not the Pillow Talk medium, because the Pillow Talk original is the one that suits me the best. This is the most natural looking flushed pink shade, because people, whenever I use this, people know that I've used a lipstick, but then it's difficult for them to guess if I've used a lipstick, because it's so natural and subtle. And yeah, I just love how it flatters my skin. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, again a mini one that I got in the kit, and this is a sample that I got a free, and I have the full size one as well with me. If you follow me, you would know this is the Charlotte Tilbury's Walk of No Shame. It's one of the best reds that I've ever come across, and it just suits my skin so well. This is a red shade that I would blindly apply, because trust me, reds can be daunting for us, and this one is the one that I love because it's got a little undertone of brown and pink, and it's just the perfect red. So I've got these 2 lipsticks, which I, by the way, use a lot. And the last thing that I have is again from Charlotte Tilbury, which is the Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk eyeliner. It's basically in this muted brown shade, and just see how much I've used this one as well. I love this. The only problem with this eyeliner is it's not as good as the other eyeliners that I have. This was just a freebie that I got, so I'm keeping it in my mini makeup carry-on pouch, but I wouldn't recommend you guys to purchase this. So yeah, but because it's okay, something that I can work out, so that's the reason I have it. And plus, I really like to use the products. I do not like to throw them away. So yeah, so this is everything that's there in my mini makeup kit, which I love carrying around, so convenient. Now let's move on to the other part. Of course, I've got two things. One is this lip balm, which is my current favorite. If you would have seen one of my recent haul videos from Amazon, I spoke about this. This is a recent launch from Hyphen, which is Kriti Sanon's brand. This is the Hyphen Mango Lips Cream with SPF 50. I love this lip balm so much. I think they've really updated the formula with their lip balms, and this mango one is so good. I'm going to stock up on it one more because it's a limited edition only for the summer mango season. So I'm going to order another one, and it's so good. I love it. If you have not tried it out, please get it before it goes out of stock. So yeah, I've got this lip cream, lip balm, very normal. I've got a cute little pen. This pen I had got long time back from a website or something, I don't remember, and then I just keep on updating the refills with the ones that we get in the local market. So I've got this very pretty polka dot pen. I always carry a pen with me, so I've got this one in these huge bags. And then the last thing that is there in the bag is my emergency kit, which I'll be sharing with you guys. So before I share the emergency kit part, if I will be going to office regularly, there are definitely other things that I'll be carrying around, like, you know, toilet seat sanitizer, hand sanitizer, all of those different things. But I'm not carrying it right now because I generally don't get out of the house that often, and whenever I do, for like, let's say a brunch or like going for shopping or something, or some minor work, I'll usually carry my sling bag. So this entire huge bag is very rare occasion where I have a meeting that I have to go to, or I have to go to a client's place. So that's the only time that I would carry all of these things. So that's just a disclaimer. But of course, in the future, when I get a proper job, I will be giving you guys an updated what's in my bag version. This is currently what I have. Now let's move on to this emergency kit. Now this cute pouch, I got it from Clinique during the Diwali sale. So yeah, this is the Clinique pouch, and I've kept all of my emergency stuff in this. And again, it's quite different from what I used to carry before. So let's see what's there in the updated emergency kit in my bag. So first thing that I see is this Bath & Body Works sanitizer. I love this one. I've already got a backup. It's their warm vanilla sugar sanitizer. Always grab it on Amazon because they have the cheapest prices, like 120, 180 rupees. Whereas if you buy directly from Bath & Body Works, it's 350 rupees unless they have a buy one get one sale. So I always get it from Amazon. I'll leave the link below. So I've got this sanitizer. And by the way, these sanitizers last really long. Then I've got this Ouchie, basically band-aids, and these are a little extra band-aids because just look how cute, adorable these band-aids are. These are not like your regular brown band-aids. They've got lemon, rainbow, grapes, all of these cute ones. I bought this huge pack of band-aids long time back, and I'm still using them. I always have lots of band-aids because the thing with me is I don't need it for any Ouchie like the name suggests, but I need it for a lot of my leg bruises, especially when you're wearing heels or sometimes. So it's always good to carry this in your emergency bag. So this is band-aids. I'll leave the link for this one. Then I have my Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Setting Spray. This is one of the best setting sprays that I've come across in the market because some of the setting sprays kind of makes your face very stubborn and you're not able to move it properly, or it creases or settles in. This is literally airbrush. I got this mini one recently from Charlotte Tilbury when I got its eyeshadow palette. I got it free. It's super tiny but really worth the price. So yeah, I have the setting spray. Then I have a filer in my emergency kit, very important. If you're someone like me who likes to grow your nails naturally, you would know we'll always have a time where suddenly a nail pops and you know it just hurts you. So I always have this small filer, and by the way, this is a hotel filer, basically the toiletry kits that you get in a hotel. Because we have a nail filer, we also have this cute nail cutter that I recently got from Miniso. It's got a little dinosaur on it and I just like it. So it's mini, it's compact. So I got this nail cutter, which is always there in my emergency kit because believe me, the amount of times my nails have suddenly broken or it's got a little cut, this is going to be the most handy product. Then I have a toothpaste. I don't know why, but I have a toothpaste in my emergency kit just in case. There might be a reason that I've kept it, so I've got a toothpaste. Then we've got two mini perfumes. Of course, how can I not have perfumes? Another thing, if I would usually go out, I would put in a perfume directly, but then I have these two perfumes in my emergency kit. First I have is the YSL Libre one, and you can see I've used it quite a lot. It's super strong, you hardly need 2 spritz, so this sample vial is going to last you for a good time because I would spritz it sometimes. And then I've got one of my another favorite perfume, which is the Lancome's La Vie Belle. It's literally the same like the original bottle but in a miniature version. It's also got this cute little bow, and it's vanilla orange. Wow, it's so good. Vanilla orange blossom scent. So I've got these 2 perfumes, and these are like really good high quality perfumes, so they'll last a long way. So that's there. I've got a pair of tweezers just in case. I don't really use tweezers that often for my eyebrows, but I've kept it just in case, because what if I don't have a razor? So we've got tweezers. Then very important thing, this is the Be Safe Feminine Cramp Relief Roll-On, basically like a period relief or cramp relief. The best part is it's not particularly for period pain. It can be used for any cramp pain. So you could just simply roll it on your stomach, on your forehead, wherever, and it's so relaxing. Right now just smelling it makes me calm. So this is the Be Safe one. There are other brands also that make this, but I don't know, I've always went for Be Safe. This retails for what, like 200 rupees, but you can get it for discount. So very important for girls. Then I've got a few of the safety pins. Recently I was wearing a sari, so I realized the use and the need of safety pins. I have this alcohol swab, basically nail polish remover sachet. Again, if you're someone like me who likes to grow your nails, paint your nails on your own and not get gels, this is very important. I've got this kit. It's basically like a sewing kit sort of a thing, utility kit that you get in the hotel. So I've basically taken one of them out of the box and kept it in my emergency kit. It's got a little needle, a safety pin, 2-3 buttons. It's also got a zipper button and some threads. So this is great for emergency. It's also got a hook, so that's great. So this is very good for emergency purposes. Now let's come to the last thing, which is a pad. How can you not have a pad? This one, okay, I think I got it from Zepto for free, so I've always used it as in my emergency thing. It's a single pad which has also got a disposable bag in it, so perfect. I think you can get it from outside because the MRP is 15 rupees, I'm not sure, but basically there is a single pad which is XL size, and you also get a biodegradable decomposed basically disposable bags. So yeah, this is the one that I got as a freebie from Zepto when I'd ordered something, but it's so useful because it's in my emergency kit as a period pad, because again, if you don't have a period pad, what's like, you literally don't have an emergency kit. Apart from that, you can keep a lot of other things like pepper spray and all, but I've kind of removed the uses of those because I have like other SOS systems like in your phone and all, so I didn't need the need of it. But yeah, this is basically everything that I have in my bag. My bag is empty now. I have realized that over the years, a lot of priorities have changed and things to include in what's in my bag. So I see that change happening, and I'm sure a lot of you guys would be able to relate with that. But this is everything that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.